Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone has enough power and you can press both hardware keys. This avoids interrupted boots. Once ready, press and hold power until the menu appears, then tap Restart and immediately press and hold volume down as the device reboots. This forces a clean restart that often exits safe mode by reloading core services without third-party apps. Make sure to watch the lower left corner for the safe mode indicator. Failure to press volume down at the right moment keeps the device in safe mode. If the simple restart didn't work, purposely boot into safe mode to diagnose. You do this by holding power, long pressing power off, and selecting safe mode. This confirms whether a third-party app caused the problem. Once in safe mode, uninstall any apps added just before the issue began. These often trigger boot flags. If that still fails, boot to recovery and clear the cache partition to remove corrupted temporary data. Each step isolates the cause, so you know why safe mode persists. As a last resort, back up everything and perform a factory reset from Settings General Management Reset Factory Data Reset. This eliminates stubborn system flags. Once the reset completes, reboot normally and confirm the safe mode label is gone. If it returns, boot into safe mode and reinstall apps one at a time to identify the culprit. One key troubleshooting tip: if safe mode appears intermittently, check for rogue system updates or defective hardware, like a stuck volume key, that can mimic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.